Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for 8 sign Gemini for the month of June. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see, this is monthly reading, your recent past. Gemini 8 sign, your recent past. So let's see your recent past, what happened. Death, 8 of Pentacles, 3 of Pentacles. I think in recent past, your person could be transformed, undergo some transformation, or you could be, there is some awakening, definitely. I think your person could be want to work on this relationship more. In past, there is no equal give and take, and one person working, one person giving on this connection more than the other person, but who not giving as much as the other person. Now that person want to work on this relationship seriously. Definitely 3 of Pentacles is here and 8 of Pentacles. For some, your person in past maybe concentrate more on their career and finances. For some your person want to work on this relationship. So it depends upon your situation. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Three of Cups. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Lovers. Your person could be Gemini, or you could be already. I am doing Gemini. So okay. Hermit. Yes, definitely one person not taking any action, just thinking. Hermit. But I think present there is 3 of Cups, celebration, love. Then realize you both and they want for those who are in separation, definitely there will be a celebration and union in present. Definitely the lovers. So definitely there is love between both of you. And I think those who are in separation, there will be a reconciliation will happen definitely in the month of June, definitely, because he want to, but he is thinking about a lot rather than taking action. So let's see his actions towards your person, near future actions towards you, Gemini. Lot of, but one taking only one. The Star. Your person could be Aquarius. Nine of Pentacles. Seven of Wands. Definitely there is hope. The Star is here. I think one person could be popular, very popular, and independent, also financially well settled, abundant. And I think one person in this connection don't want to give up on this connection, because 7 of Wands is here. Definitely your person could be fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. Definitely there is who are waiting for reconciliation. There is chance for reconciliation. So let's see some cards from universe. The Moon. There are some trusting issues. 6 of Swords. 3 of Wands. Knight of Cups. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Definitely there is waiting. There are some issues. You maybe hide something from your partner, or your partner could hide something from you. Definitely it is long distance relationship. It could be, you could be live in one city, your person could be live in one city or one kanchana, or whatever maybe. So there are some issues, definitely. So I think one person want to don't give up on this connection, and one person acting like I'm okay, I'm independent, acting like, but definitely those issues are going to be settled. 6 of Swords, moving to calm water. Definitely I think your person want to offer this cup of love to you. For some it is new, I think. So for some it is past, for some it is new. Definitely Knight of Cups. So definitely waiting is going, but your person is coming, definitely coming, because Knight of Cups, 7 of Wands, 3 of Wands, definitely 6 of Swords. I think moving to calm, and issues going to be resolved, and your person definitely coming towards you to offer this cup of love. So worth waiting for For those who want reconciliation, definitely. For those who want new love, definitely. For some it is also new love. So this is the reading for the Gemini. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.